It's actually very windy today, so I hope that you can hear me properly. I have no idea what this vlog is going to be about. Don't know what we're going to be doing yet. I have no idea what we're going to do. North of Chile. I'm back in Auckland, Sao Paulo. Hello everyone, how are you? It's been a long time. I hope you're doing alright. I haven't posted a video in a really long time. I've been through a lot of changes in the past few years, and slowly I became more insecure about sharing my experiences. I was afraid to look like I was failing to pursue my dreams, and for a while I felt like I had nothing to say, or like nothing I had to say held any real value. I still took my camera or my phone with me, and I filmed some moments here and there. Because I still want to make videos and share them with you. And that's the most important thing right now. So here you have a compilation of life moments that might not make a lot of sense, but they show you my attempts to keep doing the things that I love. I hope you enjoy, and yes, I'll be back on my channel more consistently now. Thank you for being here. It's been forever. It's been forever since I filmed anything. English could be possibly broken. I still haven't fixed the audio with this camera, but I'm also always watching people film themselves with this camera, and it's always very okay. So I think it's time to get back to it, because I really missed making videos, and I don't know, I think I'm going through an important season in my life and I just want to document it. So I look very tired, and I was also crying last night, so I was checking on my channel, and the last video I uploaded was January this year, and today is currently October 24th. There's been a lot of changes in my life, a lot of good changes. There has been also a few difficult times this year, and it's been a lot. So first of all, where am I? Why am I in a hotel room? I'm in Calama, which is a city north of Chile, and I am in a hotel room because now quite a bit of my time is spent in hotel rooms, because I went back to being a cabin crew flight attendant, and I am very happy about it. Now I'm gonna be traveling. Well, I am traveling quite a bit, and I had to get my flying license and stuff before that, so I started this process on May, but I started working and flying officially in August. I am very happy about it. I am very excited about this new time in my life, because I really needed a full-time job, but at the same time I needed a job that would give me enough free time to keep working on my art and my creative stuff, and this job can do that for me. And I haven't been filming because getting my new flying license was extremely exhausting. The what do we call it? Like the training I had to do lasted 3 whole months. It was very draining emotionally, mentally. So I'm very happy that that is over. I also met some really good people, so I am super happy about that. I just want to bring you around and show you a little bit of my life, and also I want to share this for myself because I'm pretty sure that the next few months or years I will want to remember. So we are gonna be documenting that, and yeah, nothing, just welcome back. My plan, I always have a plan and then I never follow through with my content plans, but I want to maybe make a monthly vlog where I can show you all the places that I visited and my routine, and we can talk about a few things. So yeah, this is just my first check-in. Welcome back. Thank you for being here. I'm just happy to be back and finally vlog again. So I feel like I haven't talked at all this morning. Hi everyone, and welcome to Sao Paulo. We are starting, we are starting this vlog. Today is January 10th, 2025. We started a new year and I am currently in Sao Paulo. And now I have literally like half an hour before I need to go on my next flight. So yeah, I think that's it. Welcome to January, and I'll see you later. This shows you why I should bring my tripod, but I didn't, so we're listening to V's Tiny Desk while I do my makeup. part of me can't believe that I'm recording this in New Zealand, because after how many years now? I think almost 5 years I'm back in Auckland, and I'm very happy. I'm right now in the car waiting for Michelle to come back with Charlie, because we went to the beach and Charlie needed a good wash after like playing around in the sand and stuff. And yeah, the weather was lovely and beautiful, and I think that now that I'm showing you the footage from earlier today, it's not even like earlier today, it's just like maybe a couple of hours before. It was sunny, it was clear, like the most beautiful weather at the beach, and now it's very cloudy and it's raining very heavily out of nowhere. So I think that Auckland's weather is just as stable as my sleeping schedule lately. Yeah, the changing of the time zones, very confusing. I have no idea what we're gonna do after Michelle is done with Charlie, but yeah, I just wanted to turn on the camera because it's been such a beautiful day here, and I'm just very, very happy and excited to be here. Although tomorrow I'm flying to Sydney very, very early in the morning, and I'm coming back to Auckland tomorrow around 5 p.m. I think, for like maybe dinner time, and then I leave Auckland the day after, maybe like 4 p.m. or so. So you see the sun's coming out again. Yeah, I'm just so happy to be here. I'm very happy to be like spending time with Michelle as well, because I haven't seen her since, I don't know, 2020 maybe, when I came back from Dubai, because we weren't able to meet right before I left. I'll talk to you later. Bye. So I came back to my hotel room and I'm having these fries. I'm tired and I completely forgot the name, but they are like according to Michelle, they're like a very kiwi thing. So I'm having them with aioli and they are really good. This is Burger Fuel. So if you ever find yourself in New Zealand, please get the fries, and because they are really good. They're actually so good. Fantastic. You know what? I think that one of the hardest parts of actually vlogging outside is just not caring about what other people think. And for me that's kind of hard still, because I really want for like my videos to be better and stuff. So yeah, I think that it's just for like future me. Like if you watch this, keep going. If you ever feel like you cannot vlog outside, you can. You're doing it right now. And yeah, like if you also want to vlog and stuff, just do it. Trust me, because I think the regret of not doing it, it's actually always worse than just doing things in public. Also, like, no one knows you, so who cares?
So yeah, if you are ever thinking about starting a channel and vlogging and stuff, just do it. Okay, see you later.